All right, guys, we're into the last week of Texas History at Home Learning, okay? And so what we're going to do this week is we're going to kind of tie everything together from the entire year. We're going to put together these things, and what you're going to do is you're going to pick a person, a Texas hero or an important person in Texas history, and you're going to do a research project on the person. We're going to give you some places to look, a form to fill out, and then you're going to create a one-pager for this person. Now, there are lots and lots of people throughout the history of Texas that you can do this on. Now, what we decided we're going to do here is we're going to just narrow it down to a list of about 10. Okay. Now, these aren't the only people you can choose, but these are the people we're going to give you information that you can find. If there's someone else not on this list that you'd like to do, you're more than welcome to, but you need to talk to your teacher first. Talk to your teacher first to get approval to do someone else, to do research and do the one pager on someone else. But this is where kind of a starting point we have. These 10 are going to be people we have information about for you. Okay. The first we have Sam Houston, we have Stephen F. Austin, we have Barbara Jordan, Cynthia Ann Parker, Santa Anna, Bill Pickett, Jane Long, Quanah Parker, Audie Murphy, and Davy Crockett. Now you might think, man, I don't maybe remember exactly who that person is. I remember that name maybe, but I don't remember who that person is. Well, what I've got on these slides here, we have a little bit to jog your memory, just something to kind of remember, oh yeah, that's who that was. And then not really to where the research is going to begin, but that's just kind of help you decide who you'd like to do it on. Okay, Sam Houston. Okay, general during the Texas Revolution, Big Sam, led the attack on Santa Anna during the Battle of San Jacinto. Okay, the Raven, lots of really cool stories about this guy. Stephen F. Austin, the father of Texas, he led the old 300 to Texas, established the colony of San Felipe de Austin. Jane Long, we call her the mother of Texas. She came to Texas with her husband, and she fired a cannon from an old abandoned fort to convince the nearby Indians that there was a lot of people there in the fort, when it was really just her and her daughter and a servant girl. Okay, Barbara Jordan, a more recent, more modern person. She was the first African-American woman to serve in the U.S. Congress. Important leader in the civil rights movement. Fought for equal rights for all races and all genders. Davy Crockett, volunteered from Tennessee to fight in the Alamo. One of the main leaders of the Alamo. Excellent marksman. Played the fiddle. Things like that. Lots of good stories. Santa Anna. Now, we had to include a bad guy in here too as well. You're more than welcome to choose him. He's definitely not, I wouldn't call him a hero, but a very important figure in Texas history. He was the dictator of Mexico that determined to beat the Texans, and he lost in the Battle of San Jacinto. Quanah Parker. He was the last Comanche chief that fought for Indian rights. His mother was a white woman that was captured and kidnapped by the Comanches. And his mother actually is Cynthia Ann Parker. She was captured by a Comanche tribe. She enjoyed the way of life in the Indian tribe and didn't want to return to her old life. Audie Murphy, tiny soldier. He was the guy from World War II, one of the most decorated soldiers in World War II. Buried at Arlington National Cemetery. Lots of exciting info about this guy. Bill Pickett. He was one of the founders, not the founders, one of the early rodeo people. Basically, he became really famous for his tricks and stunts at county fairs that he could do on horseback and with cows. He invented bulldogging. Okay, and now if there's somebody else, if there's somebody that it's not one of these people listed, you're more than welcome, guys. Just ask your teacher, let your teacher know, and we can just kind of to confirm that we're okay with that and to help you get going. Okay, before you get started, talk to your teacher about that if there's somebody else. Okay, now when you're doing your research, on this link on this slide here, it'll take you to a collection of biographies about these Texans. Okay, or you can go to the Texas State Historical Association webpage and you can click on the search box there. Okay, these are places you're going to look to find more information, to find your information. Okay, and once you get that information, once you're going, this is what you're going to look for. You're going to look for their birth date, their place where they were born. Now, these that have if known, some of these may be hard to find. Some of them, like records, weren't kept as well back then for everyone. And so if known, we can do that. Don't fight yourself up and down if you can't find the day they were born or where they were born, but try to find that. 3 important facts about their life and why were they important to Texas. These are our big keys that we're looking for here. 3 facts about their life and why were they important to Texas. When did they die? Where are they buried? If you know that. And how did they die? Okay. All of this information, you're going to be filling it out on this page. Okay. This is where you're going to be doing it to fill in. This is session 1. where you're going to be working to find the research about this information. Use this page here to fill out. If you need more room, you can always use more paper, but these are the key things. We're looking mainly, what we're looking for, 3 facts about their life and why were they important to the Texans, okay? These are our key and important things for this. If you can find the other, their name, of course, too, but if you can find the others, that definitely is important to find out, too, okay? That's session 1, getting the research. Okay, now session 2, you're going to be making a 1-pager. Okay, we have a template. It's shared through the lessons. It's right here. And it's also on this page is here too. You have the name of your Texas history figure, birth date, death date, if known. 3 important facts. And here's our big thing. A picture showing why this person was important to Texas. Think about, like, when you put, why was that person important to Texas? Draw a picture of them in that scene. Draw a scene of them. And it's got it, your person needs to be in the picture, okay? That's definitely some things we're looking for there. All right? Now, ask your teacher if you have any questions. Look in those pages for research. And this is going to wrap it up. This is going to really tie up our Texas history for the year. All righty, guys. Can't wait to see what you do.